In today's video, I'll show you how to use 1Password and get comfortable managing your passwords and sensitive information in one secure place. To start, 1Password is a password manager that helps you create, store, and autofill strong passwords for all your accounts. Once you log into your 1Password account, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is where everything is managed. On the left side, you will see the Home section. This is where you access your vaults. A vault is simply a secure space where your passwords, notes, and other sensitive details are stored. You can create multiple vaults to stay organized, for example, one for personal use and another for work. To create a new vault, click the option to add a new vault and follow the on-screen steps. Below the Home section, you may see options like Integrations, Developer, and Billing. Integrations let you connect 1Password with apps and services you use, while Billing is where you manage your subscription. If you're working with a team or family, you can also invite people directly from the menu. If you've installed the 1Password browser extension, using the tool becomes even easier. The extension lets you autofill usernames and passwords when you visit websites, and it can also prompt you to save new logins automatically. This saves time and reduces the risk of forgetting passwords. You'll also notice a password generator feature. This tool helps you create strong, unique passwords with just a click, which is one of the best ways to stay secure online. Using a different password for every account is highly recommended, and 1Password makes that effortless. To add new information, such as a login, secure note, or payment card, simply click the Add option and follow the prompts. Everything you save is encrypted and stored safely in your vault. And that's it. With 1Password, managing your digital security becomes simple, organized, and stress-free. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you use 1Password with confidence.